Hey, this is Ghostleaf918. Of course, I'm just here trying to uninstall this fourth brake light because it is now jacked up and I am trying to get another one sent to me. So, in order to do this, you have to remove these, which I'm sure anyone can figure this out. Just go online. CJ Ponies has a great video on it. Just try to get all these tabs off, which is probably going to move about 20 times on the camera. So once you remove all these, set them to the side so you don't lose them, and slowly remove this. Make sure these tabs are out because they are on there really good. Remember, put these somewhere you'll remember. Perfect. Fairly simple. Scrape up your car if you're going to do that, or if you care about it. I know a lot of people don't give two shits. Alright. A nice little spare that comes with Mustangs. It's actually really nice for a spare, in my opinion. That's not full-sized anyways, but whatever. Okay. Best to take this out too. Just get it out of the way. And then from here, pop these tabs off. There and there. Pull these out so it's easier to get to it. This is where all the mess is, and I'm just going to uninstall it and install the OEM one. So, here we go. OEM. As you can tell, the light's right here. Good enough angle. Literally just twist, pull out. Here's the OEM one. Now before I do this, let me make sure it's not completely flipped. This one back in. And unplug this. That's back in. Gotta pull that out. And that part's done. Oh, fuck. Sucks when you have no fucking body mass. Okay. Now the front part. Nice new LED. It's already messed up. Pretty sure it's whenever I blew the fuse in that last video. But that's okay, because I'm getting a new one sent once I ship this one off. Tab. Not sure if it's going to rain. That kind of looks like a front, but let's try and get this done as soon as we can. Okay, we've got a tool, flathead, finger. You know what? Here. There, look at there. When you're dumb like me, just do it that way. Perfect. No harm, no motherfucking foul. Would you look at that? Done. Took 2 seconds. Didn't have to be simple. Done. And you can pull these to the side. Make sure you got everything latched fairly simply. Then, all you really have to do is unattach this. If I can get it. Unattach that. Unattach this one. And then reattach these like so. Fairly simple to uninstall this and install it. Pretty much done on that side. Push this back. Those are just metal tabs making those noises, nothing breaking. That's what I thought the first time and it freaked me the fuck out. And of course there's a glare on here now that I see it. Oh well, whatever, I don't fucking care. Okay, make sure all this stuff's lined up, put back. We can go ahead and put this tab back in actually, because I won't have to take it out for another probably 2 weeks or until I get that thing shipped to me. So now you come over here, do the other side. Barely my Mountain Dew so it doesn't fall. That's all I need right now. This whole thing moves over. Very easy. Nothing's gonna break. That's why they have magnets right there. You know, make it fairly simple. This, put a hole there. Didn't have to. Could have just ran it anywhere really. But that's fine. Because all I have to do is pull through it, and there we go. There's the end. Look at that. Which was already faulty in the first place, but getting a new one, so it doesn't really fucking matter. And attach this one. Just gotta shimmy it, get it out, and attach. Now, I can really hope this decides to work properly as it should. Already done. Now, you have a faulty one from American Muscle. Little fucker, I'm about to beat your ass. Where the fuck did he go? Where is it? Alright, well, that was not fun. I just watched a mouse or something. Could have been a gopher get fucking annihilated. Tried to save its little life, but these little fucking panthers here. I get it's their instinct, but I don't like that shit at all. Don't do it in front of me, and you won't get thrown across the fucking yard. That shit annoys me. These cats have everything they fucking need. Fuck these little fucking panthers, man. Especially Spaz. I don't like him now. That really pissed me off. He's banished. I'm gonna kick his little ass whenever he gets over here. Okay. That's done. Simply just push that back. Into place. Make sure this is all flush so it's not all fucked up. Push the tab back in, align it.